I'm on the Lexus GX460 today, and I'm going to show you some interesting storage options in the rear of the vehicle. And there's a kid there. What's up? You want to help me? Let's do it. This is an aftermarket cargo net you can use for some storage in the rear. And this is a second option that you can attach to the door. I'll show you how I installed this cargo net, and I'll do that by installing one over here along with you. The links to both of these cargo nets are in the description below. Check it out to order some yourself. This cargo net's useful for storing all kinds of things, sports equipment, water bottles, umbrella. It installs easily with clips that already exist in your GX. This is clip number 1. And this is clip number 2, meant for something else, but hey, it works for this. Simply hang it up on both sides, right side and left side, and you have yourself a storage container. This way things are contained and don't fall out of the vehicle very easily. This cargo net's useful for storing smaller things. I have here some water bottles. You might find other uses as well. Behind these panels are some tools typically. They come with the vehicle. The installation of this cargo net does not prevent use of removal of this panel and of the tools behind it. So let's install this cargo net on this side of the door. Opening up this panel, you will find a space for more tools. I'm not using it right now, but installation of this cargo net will not prevent you opening this panel. Assembly of this panel to the door is quite easy. You're going to use the screws supplied by the manufacturer, and you'll need a screw gun. So let's assemble our first screw. I'm not going to pre-drill, but you could. And then assemble your remaining screws. Pull the trigger. Good job. Screw number 3. Good. And the final 2 screws. Slowly, slowly. Good job, you did it. You want to put a water bottle in there? Nice. What else can you put in there? I guess that works. Let's try it like this. That works too. And just to confirm, let's open up this panel. We still got access. Do you like it? 2 thumbs up. Yeah. You want to put some sunscreen in there? There you go, ready to go. Good work. High five. And there you have it, plenty of storage now in your GX460. I hope this helps you with your project.